Today is your day. You got this. Ignore anyone who tells you otherwise because you're amazing. The only thing more beautiful than your smile is your personality. More than capable of taking.
Hello besties, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to be taking out my old hair while I share tips and advice for the coming year. Oh my god, I had this hair weaved. Nice so long. I had my hair weaved so for my coronation, which is already on my TikTok, go and follow me on TikTok at Sharon Adeniji, all in small letters. The first tip or advice that I want to give you, my besties, is that not every advice is good advice. Not every advice a person gives you is a good advice. Some people give bad advice intentionally, and some people don't really understand what you're going through. So they just give you advice based on what you've told them or based on anything they've seen. But a lot of people don't give good advice. So whenever you take advice from people, think on your own and decide whether you want to do what that person is telling you to do or not. One down, my entire head to go. I got this. We'll do this. Currently it's 11:50 a.m. on Saturday, so we got this. We got this. Moving forward to the second tip or advice is a problem shared is not half solved. I know there will be a lot of people in the comment section saying, oh, a problem shared is a problem half solved, da 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 da. The truth is, everybody just wants to know your business. Everybody are just interested in knowing what's up with you, what's going on in your life. And I don't blame them. Like, people want gist, people are sad, a lot of people are happy. So if you tell them your problem, they might not necessarily be able to give you a solution. You might feel lighter because you have someone to tell, but in reality, those people don't really care. Those people might even laugh at you, they might gossip about you. A lot of times you see friends telling other friends about their problem, and behind their backs, they are being gossiped about, they are being laughed at because of that certain problem they shared. So a problem shared is not always necessarily a problem I've solved because everybody just wants to gossip. I'll just advise, everybody this coming year that if you have a problem and you want to share it, if at all you want to share the problem with someone that has the resources to help you. You don't want to share your problem with someone that doesn't even have the resources to help you. So if you want to share your problem, share them with someone that has the resources to help you. I apologize if you're hearing any echo. So the third point is put God in every aspect of your life. I know people start picking on, oh, they started again with God, they started again with God. But yes, God, the Lord is the creator. He's the one that created you. He knows what's best for your life. He has planned out your life in a way that would make you prosperous, successful, beautiful, great, and magnificent. So if God has plans greater than what you think for yourself, for you, so why don't you put God first? You want your hair to grow long, pray to God for long hair. You want to grow on your YouTube channel, pray to God for growth. You want to be popular, you want to be famous, pray to God. God can do it all. Yes, put God in every aspect of your life. Okay. I want to wash my hair because the last time I washed my hair was the last video you guys saw. So like, and this is like 3 weeks after. So I want to wash my hair to make sure it's clean. The fourth tip or advice is not everybody has to be your friend. You don't have to be friends with everybody. Not everybody has to like you. You do you and let destiny do the rest. A lot of people would not like you. If everybody likes you, then you have a problem. They are probably faking it, or you are a people pleaser. So if you are not a people pleaser, not everybody has to like you. You do you, and let the world choose whether it's going to love you, like you, or not. Just shampoo and take my bath, and I'll show you how my hair looks when I'm back. So, guys, it's still the same day. I'm done washing, taking my bath. This is currently 2:47. I'm done taking my bath. I didn't bring my leave-in conditioner, so I'm using this. So the last main topic I want to talk about is procrastination. Like, we all procrastinate. You have to kill that habit of procrastination because that habit is not helping you. So I'm going to add the cleanser. Which cleanser? See me, oh, what nonsense am I saying? I'm going to add the cream. So you guys know I'm using Snapchat to make this video because my face is going through crisis. I don't know if you can see it, but my face is going through crisis right now. So I'm adding the cream to my hair. I cream my hair like a boy. Cause what's the video about these things I do? I cream my hair like a boy. Cause girls will be gentle. I'm also gentle with my hair, but like I don't got time for all that shit. Sorry that. And also, I'm getting the job done. I want the cream to enter, so I'm getting the job done. Studies have shown that a lot of things we procrastinate, we don't end up doing them. If you procrastinate reading, you might end up not reading that book. And if you were supposed to read for a test or an exam, you might most likely fail that test or exam because you didn't read the book, unless if you are super smart or super intelligent or you have the knowledge of that topic before. If not, you are going to fail. Procrastination is one keeping you from sweeping that floor, washing that toilet, is one keeping you from creating that channel, that is one keeping you from coding that code you want to code, is one keeping you from doing the assignments. And if you don't get those things done, you will never get them done. So do them now and don't procrastinate. So guys, there's sun, so I'm going to let my hair for a long while. I'm not going to pack my hair immediately. I want it to air. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Love you guys. Bonus tip for the year is you just be you. Love yourself, be free, let people around you know the real you. Don't be fake. Nobody likes a fake friend. So be real, be chill, and have a lovely year ahead. 2024 is going to be a blast. Love you all. Thank you.
That's what it's like loving you. Hey, you know you bad, babe. You know I like it, these shorties that try to attach, babe. You from the project, but so exotic.